Welcome back to Cook We Will. Today I'm making oven-baked pork tenderloin skewers with potatoes and a simple vegetable salad. An easy to make summer dish that everyone loves.
Let's go!
Start by cutting the potatoes into thin wedges. I've used 500 grams, which equals to about 1 pound. Boil them in salted water until they start to soften. 20 minutes should be just about right. You will need 2 pieces of pork tenderloins. This will be enough to make 5 nice skewers. Remove the silver skin or excess fat with a sharp knife and then cut the loins into thicker pieces, just like you can see in the video. Place the tenderloin pieces into a bowl where we are going to season them. Start with 4 tablespoons of olive oil, dried thyme and rosemary, 2 teaspoons of red paprika, 1 or 2 tablespoons of yellow or Dijon mustard, 2 or 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 cloves of crushed garlic. Do not forget some salt, about 1 teaspoon should be enough. A touch of black pepper can't hurt either. Now mix everything together properly and let marinate until we prepare the rest of the ingredients. Let's work on the vegetables now. Cut a large red onion into 8 pieces, then separate the layers with your hands. Next comes the red bell pepper. Cut it into bite-sized chunks, similar to the size of the onion pieces. And do the same with the yellow pepper too. You can use green pepper if you wish, but I prefer the red and yellow because of the color and taste. I like strong flavors in my skewers, so let's tune it up a bit. A nice smoked sausage first. Cut it into thin pieces. Next comes the bacon, and again, we need to simply slice it. You need about 4 or 5 pieces of bacon per skewer, so plan accordingly. Now to the fun part. It's time to get a bit messy. We need to thread everything onto wooden or metal skewers. I like to start with the bell pepper, followed by a nice piece of tenderloin, then the onion, then bacon, and so on. It's totally fine to mix this up. Just make sure you keep a balanced ratio between the meaty bits and vegetables. This part can be a lot of fun. My kids usually want to help me with threading. Try it too. Cooking with the kids is one of my favorite activities. Now grease a sheet pan with olive oil so the skewers and potatoes do not stick to the bottom. Place the skewers onto the sheet pan and leave enough space for the potatoes. As you can see, I've used all the spare space to put in as many potato wedges as possible. Season the potatoes with a bit of olive oil, salt and black pepper. Cover the sheet pan with foil and bake in the oven at 220 Celsius or 450 Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. Let's make the salad in the meantime. Start by cutting a large cucumber into small pieces. I've used a peck of fresh rucola, a handful of red radishes and cherry tomatoes. Cut everything into pieces and place into a bowl. Add 2 or 3 tablespoons of olive oil, salt and black pepper, and some lime juice. Mix everything together properly to make sure the seasonings distribute evenly. You could stop here, but why not take it one step further? To give the salad more intense flavor, mix a cup of sour cream with a teaspoon or two of sugar and some more lime juice. Pour this simple dressing over the salad and mix everything together again. This should be much better, I believe. About 25 minutes have passed, so take the sheet out of the oven and remove the foil. We will be baking for about 25 more minutes, and I strongly recommend flipping the skewers after 10 or 15 minutes so they bake properly from both sides. Once the potatoes and meat start to turn golden brown, we are done and it's time to serve. No need to make it complicated. Simply put the skewer into the middle of a plate and then the potatoes and salad on the sides. I hope you like this recipe. Make sure to follow my blog or YouTube channel for more. Thanks for watching.